There are a lot of people who might be thinking about starting their own, starting journaling. Uh, there is also some scientific reasons behind journal writing, and that I'm going to share with you right now. I started journaling back in 2018. Uh, it's been 2 years since then. So, why I started journaling, what led me here, I'm going to share with you guys. First of all, here is my journals. So it's three of them. I think this one is quite new. So the main question that often people ask me on Quora, on personal messages, is that Akash, what you have to write on journal? Why I should even start journaling? So the first point is that what you should write on journal. What I do is that I write about my goals, my future visions, my identity, what I want to become in the future. That's my main goal about writing a journal. And the number two thing is that it helps me, it allows me, it gives me a room to self-audit myself. Self-auditing, in other words, is like analyzing yourself, where you are going. Are you in the right path? Are you doing something wrong, or do you have to improve that? Do you have to improve this or that? So it gives you specific time, it gives you enough things to analyze on. So journaling can be really helpful. Even most the successful people you might have known, like Charles Darwin, Marie Curie, then Albert Einstein, Henry David Thoreau. These people also used to write. Okay, so many people will also have question in their mind that can't I just write on my laptop or computer? That's okay, but you should. But I will not recommend that, because when you really write on a journal, on a piece of paper, what it really allows is that it embeds in your brain, it embeds in your mind, that you are physically putting an effort, by writing, by using your hands. So I would definitely suggest you that you should, while starting journal, should start writing with your hands. Just get a pen, and just buy a small A5 journal from anywhere, Amazon and all, and just start writing. Start by your goal, your wish list, your bucket list, and your dreams, what you want to become. And even if you don't know that what I truly want from myself, what I truly want to be, just start by writing your hobbies. When I first started journaling, I didn't know what to do. I just wrote few of my hobbies, because at that time I didn't know what my purpose was. So I just started with some hobbies of mine and just tried all of them to find out which one works best for me. And then slowly and steadily I started reading books. And another thing that helped me is another thing that I started doing is that I wrote down the ideas from the books in my journals. So whenever I finished my books, I used to go down to that particular page. I used to bookmark them with this thing. Whenever I finished that book, I used to go down to that bookmarked page and just analyze the ideas, what I've learned actually. You have to do things like that, because self-improvement, personal growth is all about this. You have to improve, you have to be obsessed about improving yourself, you have to be obsessed about life, you have to be curious about life. That is how it works. Okay, so if you are also curious, if you're also starting to journal, so please feel free to comment below what anything that I missed answering, anything I need to answer. So please feel free to drop down your comment below. Thank you, and I hope journaling will help you to change your life as well.